This competition is not just about recognizing excellence, but also about fostering collaboration. As you share your projects, we encourage you to exchange ideas, engage in meaningful discussions. Kasi ang narinig ko kanina ay galing tayo sa iba't ibang schools, tama ba? At meron tayong mga estudyante na galing pa sa Sorsogon. Tama po? Direct Michelle, tama? Ayan, mula sa iba't ibang bahagi pa ng Pilipinas. Your voices matter, your actions matter, and your passion for honor, excellence, and service can inspire real change. To our students and youth leaders present here today, thank you for stepping up, for being bold enough to work hard to turn your ideas into reality. Your projects are a testament to the fact that young people are not just the leaders of tomorrow, but also you are the change makers of today. To the mentors, faculty advisors, judges, and organizers, we extend our deepest gratitude for your invaluable guidance and support. Your dedication in nurturing our young leaders ensures that their initiatives are not just celebrated, but also sustained and scaled up for greater impact. As we begin today's program, I encourage everyone to fully engage in the experience. Sabi nga kanina ng ating mga host, kahit mainit ang hapon na ito, dapat mas mainit yung discussions natin mamaya. So let us ask questions, offer insights, and embrace the opportunity to learn from one another. Let this event not just be a competition, but a starting point for greater collaborations, stronger networks, and lasting contributions to our nation's development. With that, we officially welcome all of you to the Youth in Charge Competition 2025, and may this be a platform for inspiration, transformation, and the strengthening of our shared commitment to service. Isang mapagpalayang hapon po at maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.